What's up, everybody? It's about 7:30 in the morning here. We're about to start working on that secret project. You probably already guessed what it is, but yeah, I'm gonna show you what that is this morning, all right? So yeah, there it is. That's my bike, my trike, Old Red, and yeah, we're gonna do some work on her today. We're gonna convert her into a coffee tricycle cart, or a coffee cart. I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, so come along for the ride. Well, as you can see, it's raining out there. Projects don't always come out the way you want them. Battling with the elements. So, well, had to cut that video a little short because of the rain. But basically, that's what's happening. I should be finished with this project fairly soon because I plan to open up this weekend. So don't have the box built yet. Don't have my sink put in. A lot of things that I need to put into the coffee cart before this weekend. So I'll keep you updated, all right? See you guys on the next one.